Oh, hey guys, Dotson guys here at the MarineMax Charleston. As you can tell, I'm admiring our brand new 380 out LXF from Scout Boats in this full hull black. It's a mirror finish. It's a beautiful boat. It's a big one, and we want to take a time to showcase it as we walk inside. All right, guys, now that we're on the inside, I've got to show you the transom of the 380 here. We have a full beam accessible transom, right? So no splash rail, elevated brackets there in the back, with our 350s triple engines from Mercury here. These are the Joysticks in the matching white, Scout white. So you can see the accessibility from port to starboard is very simple, right through our walk-through transom door. Now I'm gonna go ahead and transition you right to the port side. We have the optional beach boarding platform. It's huge. It's hydraulically actuated. You push a button, it folds out. A quick swim ladder pops right out with a nice convenient grab handle, and it's lit at night. But as well, as we're hanging out, we have cup holders right there at the dash as soon as I open up the walkthrough. Moving right here in the back, I'm going to close this transom door. I'm going to show you this very large live well in the back. There's a couple different options you can do for this one, but it's all insulated, so you can use it as a big fish box as well, or cooler, depending on what kind of day you're doing. Pull-out bench seat in the back here in the transom. So you have a nice, entertaining cockpit area. But Scout's always known for their fit and finish. So we're going to show you this beautiful bilge with the sea chest down there. So you can see we've got all of our wall water coming into one compartment without getting any suction or air as we're in the offshore environment. We have a gen set there. All your pumps and strainers right there in the back, but easy access. And again, all nice and cleanly finished. I've got to show you this killer aft seat, right? We're entertaining, having a good time. With the push of a button, with a hydraulic, this pad lifts up, exposes our summer kitchen. It folds the step up right here in the back. And once that's all tucked in, now I have easy access to my grill and prep area. Cutting board, grill, freshwater sink, storage, accessible drawer. And again, all that easily converts on this 5-in-1 leaning post. Oh, sorry. Before I pop that up, I want to show you where the Seakeeper, the standard Seakeeper system on the Scout. So we've got the Seakeeper 3 in this particular unit. It's tucked in there nice and conveniently. This boat was built and developed for the Seakeeper in mind. And again, it's standard with Seakeeper and genset. So it's built into the stringer system, not an afterthought. Scout's done a really good job of making sure this is all a seamless finish, right? So we're going to close that. I got to show you the Sunshade, right? We've got the patented rocket launchers. With a push of a button, I want my sunshade out. So I hit that button, and automatically the electric rocket launchers fold down, and then we'll start deploying our sunshade. And while that's doing that, let me show you guys these large fish boxes. So we've got a total of 4 in-floor fish boxes. We've got 2 in the aft, port and starboard. And then we move to the front here. We've got 2 midships, port and starboard. You can get these plumbed with the optional onboard ice. These 4 wide open, plenty of storage for all the fish. We got to show you this huge helm, right? Triple display, 16-inch screens from Garmin. We've got the bow eye camera, patented by Scout once again. So you can see that windlass, or in a close docking scenario, you can see that bow very easily without looking over the bow and guessing which way you're going or how close you are. Big glove box off here to the port. This boat does have the joysticks, has the AC at the helm, so you can close this and feel nice and cool. Triple seats here across the helm chair. These are heated. This is all standard. Each one is independently controlled. You notice this captain's chair just slightly larger, so a little more comfort. Drop down armrest, flip down bolsters. Storage access here to our redundant switching system. This boat is equipped with C-zone switching. So it's electronic switching that goes through our Garmins. But if in the case of an emergency, I need to flip a mandatory switch, I go right there to the easily labeled boxes, and it tells me everything I need to know. So Carl, if you want to pan back there and now see that sunshade fully open. You can see, folks, it comes all the way out to the transom. So a nice enclosed. We got 60% of the boat now shaded with the push of a button. And again, as easily as I pulled it out, hit a button and it all goes back in. This boat, 380, you can also get the optional tower. This boat is not equipped with it. What this gives us is easy access into the top with a sliding roof. Gets me right up to the top, get those outriggers up, get those antennas up with ease without walking the outside of the boat in an unsafe manner. Scout's done a real good job of keeping safety in mind as they have engineered this boat. So we're going to move forward in this leaning post as well, just to highlight, we do have the ice maker on the support side, and we've got the refrigerator on the starboard side. And there's your also optional control if you want to get to those rocket launchers for your shorter fellows in your life. Getting to those rods can be harder. Push of a button, they come right down to you. We're going to walk up to the front here, and as we pass through, we're going to show you this beautiful cabin. Nice big wide door. We've got a full kitchenette, electric cooktop, refrigerator, microwave, convection oven up top, distribution panel right back here. We have storage just under for our remotes. And we have our separate dedicated shower and head with a vacuum flush system. It's got all the colorful lighting. It's got all the ambiance you'd want. Moving forward, we've got the bed displayed here. This all converts to a nice sectional seating with a 32-inch TV back there with speakers built into the bolsters. So it's all nice and clean. We have drop-in port windows. Let's pull back with some natural light. We have stand-up vertical rod racks. Not all boats have that, right? We do. Nice, well lit. Keep them all on display. Tackle boxes right there. Nice big ones. And moving back out, we'll go ahead and showcase the forward. And keep in mind, folks, if you have a specific boat you want to build at 380, Scout has a beautiful multi-million-dollar facility that's dedicated to designing one of these LXFs to your suits. So in the bow, we have the optional electric dinette table here. We've got the Flexi Teak, which is full synthetic, so there's no maintenance involved, but you get that beautiful compass star there. This boat is standard with windlass. So up front, nice, clean, easy access with foot pedals. Rod holders across the gunnel on the forward. You have big storage, which I'll show you on your side, Carl. Make it a little simpler. Big storage on port and starboard. These are all insulated boxes. And again, everything's fit and finished, nice and clean. So what you can all do in this bow is this dinette table with the push of a button pushes all the way down to the floor or into a lounge setup. So with my lounge cushion stored right there conveniently behind me, I can pop that down and have a full sunbathing lounge. But if you want the comfortability of the forward-facing lounge, notice the contour. Notice the armrests with cup holders that slide down, keep you nice and secure. It's below the gunnels, so it's not in an unsafe manner as you're cruising. Very comfortable place. I hope you guys enjoyed our 380 LXF from Scout Boats. Again, my name is Dotson Geis with MarineMax Charleston. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at 843-747-1889. Thanks, guys.